Hello my friends, I'm Zand and I'm going to continue recording videos about electrical engineering simulations and softwares. In the previous video, we designed a single phase transformer. The turn ratio and the current density derived and the dimensions of the transformer designed. In this video, we are talking about simulation of this transformer by Ansys Maxwell software. Ansys Maxwell is a very powerful software that uses finite element method to simulate the magnetic geometries like transformers, motors, generators, actuators, and all the devices that use electromagnetic laws. Some examples of the simulations with this software is presented here. This is an induction motor, a squirrel cage induction motor simulated, and all the results like torque, currents, and flux density is shown in the pictures. But this software can simulate all the magnetic geometries like actuators. Here this is magnetic coupler. Here we have axial flux generator, and this is linear PM motor. All the magnetic geometries can be simulated by this software. This is wireless power transfer coils. And in the next video, we will simulate the transformer that we have designed by Ansys Maxwell software. Please follow our Instagram and hit the like button if you like the videos. Thank you.